Hi guys, so welcome to another episode of Ricardo's Kitchen. So today will be the last episode for this year because we're packing up and moving to another location. As you can see, I'm in a different kitchen. So we have moved from one bathroom to another bathroom. So today I'm going to be preparing for you steamed fish with white rice. Okay, so this is my last episode for this year because we're going back to the States. So join me in the kitchen and let's cook steamed fish and white rice. Alright? So guys, told you many times, so we have washed your rice, put a little bit of salt in there, half a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of butter, okay? I'm gonna let this cook for about 20-25 minutes. As soon as it starts cooking, you're gonna turn your stove down pretty low. So let's turn it around, it's on. Here we go. Alright, so now we're gonna prepare our fish, okay? So while our rice is being cooked, we already washed our fish, and this is a tilapia fish. I prefer to use yellowtail snapper, but we can't get any yellowtail snapper right now in Germany, so I'm using tilapia fish. So I've washed it with vinegar, cleaned it up already, and I'm about to use your three important seasoning, garlic and scallion allspice seasoning. I'm going to put a little bit on that, on both sides and inside of the fish also. There we go. I'm going to add a little bit of Old Bay. And please make sure you season your fish properly. And you don't have to use too much seasoning on your fish because fish, you don't have to season it use too much seasoning on it because it cooks pretty well with a little bit of seasoning, okay? And last but not least are Larry's. Also, this supplies that has pepper in there. So now that we use all our seasoning on our fish, Larry's, Old Bay, and garlic and scallion, allspice seasoning. Just gonna rub that in there a little bit. Alright, there we go. Just gonna leave this to marinate just for a few minutes, not too long, because fish cook pretty quickly, okay? While our fish is being marinated, you're gonna go ahead and prepare just a few vegetables. We're gonna put one potato in there. There we go. We're also gonna prepare some bell pepper, some carrot, and some onion in the interest of time, okay? We're gonna also prepare some garlic. So in making this steamed fish, a lot of people like to use in Jamaica what we call tough crackers and also a bit of noodle in it, okay? But we have no noodles at the moment and no tough crackers, but we can still make it as a nice steamed fish dish, okay? And get this garlic nicely chopped up. I'm going to add this later on, okay? So just preparing our vegetables to put in our pot. You can see we put on our pot with a cup of water, and we're just going to use half a teaspoon of fish seasoning. There we go. And this also helps to give it that nice flavor, okay? Our pot starts to bubble, get hot. We're going to add a little bit of thyme in there. And also a little bit of garlic. Okay. I'm just going to let that cook for a few more minutes. We're going to put it on our pot and then cook down for a few minutes, okay? About a minute or two. What you're going to do now, we're going to add our bell peppers, some onion, that in there, it's already chopped up. Okay. Go. Just going to stir that in just a little bit. We're going to add our fish in a few minutes, okay? We're just going to let these cook down in a little bit. Alright? There you go. That's why you don't want to over season your pot. You gotta be careful. Let that cook for a few minutes. So now we're going to add our okra. There we go. Just stir this in a little bit. We're about to put our fish in just a few more minutes, okay? Just a few more minutes, guys. Let's get our seasoning, our vegetables cooked in just a few more minutes, alright? Alright, so now we're going to add our fish. So what we did, we stuffed it with some potatoes, some carrots, and okra in the middle of it. We're just going to place it in the center of the pot. just going to add a little bit of butter also to it. There you go. And then we're going to add a few more potatoes on top, some jalapeno peppers and carrots, okay? And go around and go just like that. Nice one. And we're just going to take some vegetables and put on top of it like that. Okay? So leave it to steam right through. We're just going to let this cook for a good 5 to 10 minutes and then we check back on it, okay? We flipped it over. There we go. Just going to put more vegetable in the top, and as you can see, it's cooking pretty nicely. As I said, some people will put tough crackers along with a little bit of noodles in there, okay? So gonna let this cook down some more, and it should be ready in a couple more minutes, okay? Nice one. Alright guys, so this is about finished. Just a few more minutes, and then I'm about to put it on the plate, okay? Let me check my rice. So my rice is pretty much almost done. So a few more minutes on the fish, and then I'm gonna put it on the plate, okay? Looking good. So there you have it, guys. Steamed fish with okra and white rice, okay? So like, subscribe, and share my channel, and know that this is my last video for this year, because as I said, we'll be moving to a different location. So until I get back to the States, and join me next time for more exciting dish from Ricardo's Kitchen. Okay guys, bye.